right into those cones. Yep. Catalea, you go there where you are. Eva, where you are. Okay, go. Three on that. Emi, three on that line and three on that one. So. Yep. Right up there. Got there. So this is how we play. So the ball comes. One ball comes from that side to your team. You go out. So the ball comes that side. Wait. So the moment you pass, 1, 2, 3 of us go in. Our game is to dribble through those big balls. Okay. So combination and play forward. Black. If you get the ball, you score on this big net. Got it? Pass. Go in. Yep. Perfect. How do we combine? Right here. Right here. Yep. Go. Perfect. Dribble through. Lovely. Then 2 out, 3 out, and you play like that. You got it? Okay. So set and go. Play it quickly. How do we go forward? How do we go combine it? Finish. Good job, Kelly. Out. Go. Next one. Yes. See your player. Play wide. Take your time. Combine it. Yes, dribble it. You see guard?
Yeah.
Guard. Yes. Out. Play it. Dribble it. Yes. Play wide. Good. Yes. Eva. Yes, go. Turn. Dribble through. Good work. Go quickly. Yes, Anaya. Dribble Anaya. Lovely. Get out. Quickly. Go. What are they going? Yes, center. Cut. Yes. Yeah, Eva. Go Eva. Turn, Eva. Yes, center. 1, 2, touch. Eva, run. Run away quickly. Find the space. Cut, shoot. Cut. Go after you, go forward. Okay? Shoot. This is your goal, the big thing. Get out. Double out. On the ground, quickly. Attack Zoya. Go. Dribble. Zoya, join. Remember? Out, Anaya. Zoya. Pass and go, right? That's what our game is. Pass and go. That's what I want to see. I want to see pass and go. Yes. Go. Hit. Yes, finish. What a beautiful ball. Out, clean out. Pass and go. Wait. Ruleta. Yes. Run through. Good work, Hannah. Good job, Hannah. Good tackle, Hannah. Are you okay, Hannah? Yep. Play it. For me. Out. Switch. Quickly, Russell. How do we cover? Kelly. Good job. Pressure there. Out again. Play it. Cut. Look at that. Cut. How do we play this? Yes. Pass and go. Yes, lovely. Good. Lovely, good. Eva, go. Eva. Okay, support him. Yeah. Pass and go, Julieta. switch. Pass and go, pass and go, pass and go. Drop that, drop that.
Taylor, yeah, be through.
Out, out, out. Just play it. Lovely, lovely. Jump, 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 jump. Perfect, lovely. Stop it, stop it. Switch now, switch. Bring that side, block this side. Okay. Go, play. Wide, wide, lovely. Turn, turn. Yes, yes. Oh, go, Emma. Yes. Out, out. Aim. Good. Go, play it, play it, play it. Yes, turn, 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 turn. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Yes, play, play. Play, Anna. Play, Anna. Go your wide, no shooting. Go under, go under, go under. Go under. Go under her, go under her. Lovely, get out, out, out. Green. Where you going, Kelly? Where you going, Kelly? Hands up. Put the back here. Still in, still in. Kelly back, play back. Yes, go. Where you going? Where you going? Rassam, this side. Turn. quickly. It's gonna be 6v6, and instead of driving through, green, Kalaya is in the bowling. Kalaya, go there, get your gloves and go there, and green you score that side, black you score on those bowling. Exactly the same combination and playing forward. Okay? Okay, on your side, on your position. On your position, green here. Quickly.
Noise.
Quickly.
Elian.
We have no time. Give me the ball. Perfect. Yup. Anna is gonna be a neutral. Okay? So, if you score